Yeah, guys, and I'm back with Iggy. And the topic here is the Race Turbo. And the Race Turbo is here. There. So you want to see the advantages of this guy versus Race G. Tara, sight natin isa-isa. So guys, this is the first advantage of the Race Turbo. Well, at least may kitang-kita nyo naman, it's two-tone design. Ganda. Then the mags of this turbo is 1 inch bigger than the Race G and the Race E. Ito, given the turbo to is 1.0 engine to. So yeah, that one. It's a two-tone design, sporty look, 17-inch mag size. So as you can see guys, ito, ang ganda nung design nito dahil meron tong leather. So dito lang to sa turbo, pero not everything is leather. So may konting fabric design siya, like this one yan. Kita nyo. Yan. Silver accent here. Gamusa to This is suede. Then ayan, may leather design again here. So combination siya. Not fully leather. Pero yan, itong design na to ng seats na to is for the Race Turbo only. Okay, pakita ko yung sa driver seat. So yeah, ito yung sinasabi ko. Ayan, naka-leather yan. This one. Then, fabric. So yan. Nakaka-add siya sa pagka-sporty look of this Race Turbo. Nice, ganda. And the next advantage is, yeah, this one. This is the blind spot monitoring. Ayan, yan, nakikita nyo ba? So yan, merong car indicator. Yan, illustration ng car. So ang meaning lang naman yan, this blind spot monitoring, especially yung ganda yan, yun na nga, from the word itself, blind spot, is mas maganda dahil na-alert kayo, especially kung liliko kayo, yan, kunyari dyan, ito yung blind spot nyo, at least may alert dito sa side mirror na merong approaching sa vehicle nyo before you make your turn. At least mas aware kayo na hindi kayo basta-basta liliko. So yeah, meron tayong blind spot monitoring here at both side mirrors. Then aside from that is the rear cross traffic alert. So sa rear cross traffic alert, dito maano natin na parang all the time active yung backing sensor. So yan, nag-a-alert to each time na may dumadaan dito. So ayan, from the word itself again is rear cross traffic alert. So yan, parang active lang siya lagi na parking sensors. One of the advantage of this Race Turbo is mas malaki tong monitor design niya. This is 9 inches versus sa Race G na naka 8 inches lang. Yan. So ayan, mas maganda siya syempre. Mas wide also. Yan. Then the other one is the mas marami siyang airbags. So ito papakita ko here. Yan. Meron siyang side curtains na airbags also at the other side. Then of course, meron dito sa passenger, the driver side. So total of 1, 2, 3, 4. Then meron din po sa seats. So actually, yan, may mga airbags to sa seats. So hindi suggested na maglagay kayo ng seat cover dito dahil matatakpan yung airbags niya. Right? So yeah, yan. When it comes to the engine power, so ito nga 1.0. Sa mga hindi pa familiar, ang 1.0 nito is actually mas mataas pa yung horsepower niya versus the G, the mid variant and the base variant. Bakit? Yun na nga po naka-turbo kasi to. So ang difference niya is ang horsepower nito is 98 Whereas yung Race G, na yung mid variant, is only 88. So, ang difference niyan dalawa is by 10 horsepower. Ang torque level nitong Race Turbo is 140. Versus the Race G is only 113. So, almost 20 up ang torque level increase nito, Race Turbo. Versus the G variant and the E variant na 1.2 engine. So, ayan, given na mas mabilis talaga to versus the Race G. Pero ang binibigay kasi sa'yo nitong Race Turbo is yung extra kick, extra punch, extra power na depende talaga sa preference nyo and also your budget. Yeah. Pero kasi nga naman, depende talaga sa preference nyo. Inuulit ko lang. Actually, mas matipid sa gas yung Race G versus the Race Turbo. Especially, mas smaller engine siya ang kinalalabasan. Dahil nga hindi naman naka-turbo yung 1.2 engine. So yan, depende talaga sa preference nyo and also your budget. Alright? So, yun nga naman, sinight out ko lahat ng advantages nitong Race Turbo, right? So, ikutan naman natin siya. Siyempre, sayang naman to, nandito na kayo. So yeah, ito nga, I went outside. The vehicle is, ang maganda dito talaga sa Race Turbo variant is this unique colors. This unique color na exclusive lang for the Race Turbo. Wala po nitong color na to for the Race G and also the E. So this one is turquoise. And kapag Race Turbo kasi, black top siya always, this one. Pero sa white pearl na color nito na variant, merong choice na all white. So that's monotone design. We call it monotone Race Turbo. Hindi siya black top. Pero para dito sa mga Race Turbo na to, na turquoise, is always na black top siya. So meron din itong yellow, and the yellow one is also black top design. Yan. So yung white pearl nito is may additional na 5,000 na. Maliit na additional lang para sa napakagandang solid na 5-seater na vehicle. So ano pa makikita natin dito? Yan, meron yung daytime running light here. Yan. So yan, like I mentioned, isang advantage nito na nakaka-sporty at nakaka-astig na look is this one. Yung mugs niya, yan, sporty look, it's two-tone design. And you can see here the turbo emblem. Ganda. And meron tayong integrated signal light here. And also, meron tayong shark fin antenna here. Yan. So yan, iniikutan ko lang muna at least ma-visualize nyo. Meron tayong backing sensors here. Yan. So tara, pasok tayo . And of course, meron tong smart entry. Yan. Kita nyo yung line na yan, yung dalawa. So sensor yan. So ayun, na-discuss ko na to ng marami is you never have to put out your key na nakasabit here sa pants mo or inside your bag. Kasi pag na-sense na nitong vehicle na malapit na tong susi, is gagana na tong sensor na to. Wala ka ipupush, ay gaganon mo lang yung thumb mo, mag-a-unlock na tong vehicle. Yan. So check natin kung meron tong auto retract for the side mirrors. And meron siya. Ito, this one, auto to . So, ibig sabihin lang niyan, every time na ilalak mo to, is mag-auto retract na to, side mirrors. Yan. So, yan, integrated siya. Every time you lock and unlock, mag-aano rin tong retract din tong side mirrors. Right? So, try ikutan naman natin since nandito na tayo. Actually, meron din akong vlog for the Race G . So you can check my page, right? Meron ako race G. Wala pa ako race E. Pero, yan. Check it out. So, of course, meron tayong 4 panels here for the 4 windows. Then, you can lock the window. This is the central lock. So, yan ang design ng lock niya. Pang open the door. And ganda nito. Yan. You can just grab this. Ganda. Silver accent design. Then, meron tayo ditong 2 cup holders. Extended siya. Pwede kayo maglagay ng file nyo there. Then, ito yung sa pangbukas ng gas. Pasok tayo ha. And nandito yung pang-open ng hood under. Okay? So meron tayo parking sensor here. Pwede mo yang i-off. Of course, sometimes kasi lalo na yung mga matagal na nagda-drive. Sa kanila kasi medyo annoying na to. Alright? So depende yun sa preference nyo, pero at least pwede mo siyang i-on and off. Ang maganda dito sa race turbo na to is meron tong paddle shifter. Yan. Sa mga namimiss nila yung mag-manual mode, ayan, para ka rin kasi naka-manual here kung meron kang paddle shifter. So this is the plus, up, then low. Yan. Alright, ganda. Then, andito naman yung volume controls. Then, ito pang navigate ng settings mo here sa multi-information display. Yan, digital yan. Then with mix na no, it's all digital pala, sorry. Then dito naman is shortcut key here para dito sa monitor mo. So yan. Syempre, of course, delikado yan na nag-navigate ka here habang nagda-drive, 'di ba? Alright. So, ang next natin is this one, the aircon panel. Yan. Push start button, of course, ang ganda. Then fan level, temperature adjustment, rear defogger, air circulation of the vehicle, thermostat, off, then the auto. Ito, kung hindi, sa mga hindi pa nakakalam, itong auto is automatic na mag-high yung fan level. So yan, kunyari, galing ka sa labas. Kagaya ngayon, grabe yung init. Sobrang init sa labas. So, open mo itong mga windows. Then, isang push nitong button here. Itotodo niya na yung aircon. Iwanan mo mga 5 to 10 minutes maximum. At least, mas malamig na itong cabin ng vehicle. Especially kung may baby ka. Yan. Siyempre, may initan siya. The best yan. Para malamig na pagpasok agad ni baby. Or yung mga pets natin. Diba? Ayan, yung mga mahilig sa pets. Alright. So, balik tayo. Dito meron tayong classic na power supply, parang lighter. Then, meron tayong USB port na dalawa dito. Kita nyo ba? Ayan, yan. Nice, ganda. So, ito naman, shift knob natin is inline design siya. So, meron yung button here, under. Makikita nyo, Yan, may button here. So, every time you switch the gear, yan, switch the drive, I mean, is you have to push this button. Right? So, yan. Meron tayong park, reverse. Of course, pag nag-switch ka sa reverse, may kita mo dito yung likod. Dahil meron itong backing camera. Alright? Then, this one is the neutral. Then, drive. Then, plus minus. Pag naka-engage ka dito sa plus minus, saka lang po gagana rin tong paddle shift natin. Yan. Also, this paddle shifter is ideal din yan na ginagamit kapag uphill ang andar natin. Alright? Kasi dyan tayo maglo-low gear Okay? Though CVT to, pero at least yan, ang ganda. Meron tayong pang-control ng speed. Nice! So, dito meron tayong pwedeng lagayan ng phone. Yan, nakita nyo? Yan yung phone ko, nilagay ko. Then, this one is the classic handbrake. Ako, kung tatanungin ako, gusto ko itong classic handbrake. Stop and grab ka lang dito. Grab and stop, I mean. Kasi, maganda rin naman talaga yung mga electronic na brake. Pero ito kasi wala nang tingin-tingin, wala nang cheche-boreche. Just grab it, then lift. Yan, naka-handbrake ka na. Then dito tayo, meron tayong additional pocket here. Yan, maganda siya. And then, what else? Ayan, meron tayong indicator here, reminder kung sino mga hindi naka seat belt. And these are the lights. Meron din siyang door function. This is to remind you kung meron naka-open na door. So dito sa glove compartment is yan. Alright. Then, meron tong cup holders na retractable. Yan, kita nyo? Yan. And also at the other side here. Yan, kita nyo? Ganda. Yan. So, check na natin kung may mirror here. Okay, meron din mirror here sa driver side. Yan. Pwede siyang slide. Then, meron din ba sa passenger? Also, meron din sa passenger. Yan. Ganda. That's very, 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 very nice. Okay, baka maiwan ko to photo. By the way, itong video ko is showroom display to right now actually. I'm sure nakita nyo na kanina. So, remind ko na this is the turquoise color of the Race Turbo. So, yan. Very spacious naman tong likod. Actually, may buyer ako dati nito. Almost 5'8", 5'9" silang dalawa. Wala silang problem dito sa vehicle na to. Yan. So, meron siyang tatlong headrest, ha. Hindi lang siya dalawa. Alright. Ganda. Then, merong yan, cabin light here, the middle. So, yan. Guys, this is the Race Turbo. So, before I end, remind ko lang kayo na meron kaming trade-in here. All brands tinatanggap namin for trade-in. Pwede namin kayo bigyan ng quick appraisal, pero very ideal, dalhin nyo yung unit nyo dito. Yan, nandito lang ako sa showroom. By appointment yan, ha. Huwag kayo basta-basta pumunta dito nang wala appointment. Kasi baka mamaya wala kayo dito yung mga appraisers. Alright, that's the Race Turbo. Ikutan ko one last time bago ako mag-end nitong video. By the way, yan pala si Iggy, ha. That's my boy, number 69. Yan, ikutan natin this guy before tayo mag-end. Ganda. The best. Yun nga pala, advice ko lang kayo, napakaganda nito dahil for the ground clearance. Yan, check yung ground clearance. Ang taas ng ground clearance yan. Ito yung nagugustuhan ng mga clients here sa Race is ang taas ng ground clearance niya. And also the shocks. Ang ganda ng mga suspension nito. So, this is the Race Turbo. Alright? Bye.